91. The standard cost and revenues of log companies only product are as follows. Selling price 60, material 12, labor 15, variable production overhead 3, fixed production overhead 15, profit 15. Fixed overheads are absorbed on budgeted production and sales of 10,000 units per year. Sales staff receives a sales commission of 5% of sales revenue. What is log company's margin of safety? So what you know that they ask you to calculate margin of safety. We know that margin of safety MOS is equal to budgeted sales minus break-even sales. And budgeted sales they have given us. Budgeted sales, we know these are 10,000 units. We need to calculate our break-even point first, okay? Here again, you need to calculate break-even point, and we know that break-even point is equal to fixed costs divided by contribution per unit. Contribution per unit. And how much is the fixed cost? The fixed cost you have to calculate. Fixed cost is the fixed cost?
15.
No, that is per unit. You need to talk.
Oh, yeah, that's per
you
unit.
should be talking about the total fixed cost.
10,000 units.
The total fixed cost. So you should say that BEP is actually equal to your total fixed costs are 15 multiplied by 10,000 multiplied by 10,000. This is going to be your fixed cost. And how much is the contribution per unit?
Contribution.
60 minus 12 minus 15 minus 13.
60 minus
30.
12
27, I think.
minus 15 minus 3.
27.
And there is one more.
That is the sales commission.
Sales commission is also variable cost. How much is that sales commission?
3.
Minus, it is
3.
5%. So 5% of the sales revenue, 60 multiplied by 0.05, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what you need to calculate. So
27.
23, 70, 27.
150,000, and I put it here. This is 27, and here you get 150,000 divided by 27. It is 55555, whatever it is. So your break-even point now is 5,556 unit. Your budgeted sales were 10,000, right? And now you need your margin of safety formula is budgeted sales 10,000 minus break-even sales divided by budgeted sales.
44%.
I'll take here.
44%.
This is 4444. Yeah, it is 44%, I suppose. When you take this one divided by this one, it gives you 44%. Answer should be 44%, and this should be this one. I'm just, yeah, please ask.